Bonjour and welcome to Easy French Cooking. Would you like to learn one of the most famous, but also one of the easiest traditional French recipes? I'm Victor and today we are going to cook a ratatouille. It is such a brilliant word, ratatouille, but not only that, it is also a typical recipe from Provence in the south of France, and it is as delicious as it is simple. This is also a vegetarian recipe, it's even a vegan recipe, so everybody can enjoy ratatouille as a side dish or as a main course. Let's go! Okay, ingredients. This is what you will need for this ratatouille recipe for 4 people. 2 to 3 big onions, 2 aubergines or eggplants, a yellow bell pepper, a red bell pepper. Well, just choose different color peppers, it just looks better. You can have green ones if you want. 5 medium-sized courgettes, 6 big tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil. You can use any olive oil, but extra virgin is nicer. 1 glass of white wine. Well, this is optional, but it goes really nicely with this meal. 5 garlic cloves. Hey, this is a southern dish, so it has to have garlic in it. Aromatic herbs, thyme and bay leaf. And of course, salt and pepper for seasoning. And that's all you will need. Now the gear. As usual, we will manage that with just a few ultra basic utensils. A chopping board, a few sharp knives. If you only have one, that's fine too. It's just that it's more practical to use a smaller knife for the tomatoes, as you will see, and a knife with a wider blade to crush the garlic. A salad bowl, a few bowls, 4 of them. As you will be chopping different vegetables, you can't keep everything on the chopping board, so like that you can put each vegetable away in a bowl once chopped. A cast iron pot with a lid. If you don't have one, a big saucepan with a lid will do. A medium saucepan and a wooden spoon, and that's all you need to cook a ratatouille. Before you start, rinse all the vegetables under cold water. That's something you should always do with vegetables for any recipe. Cut a cross on each tomato, like this, and remove the end bit here. Then put the tomatoes in boiling water for 1 minute. Just 1 minute, you don't want to cook them. You just want to make them easy to peel. After 1 minute, just put your tomatoes into a bowl of cold water, but they'll be really hot and you don't want to be burning your fingers while you're cutting them. So all the tomatoes go in there. Then you can easily peel the tomato, just like this. So because you've cut that cross over here, now it's a piece of cake to peel the tomatoes. Everybody loves that trick, so just remember it. Look at that, just too easy. Now chop all the veggies, starting with the tomatoes. Peel and chop the onions. First, cut your onions in half. And again, and chop. That's a lot of onion to chop. That's a lot of tears. Then chop the courgette. Get rid of the end bits here, and then cut them in half. This. Then in half again. And chop them into cubes, which are roughly 1 centimeter thick. Okay, that's kind of size. Now the peppers. Remove that bit here. Cut into 4 pieces. And then remove those white bits here and remove the seeds. Cut the peppers into strips about 1 centimeter wide. There you go. And finally the aubergine. So again, with the aubergine, what you want to do is to chop them into cubes, which are going to be about 1 centimeter thick. So you will notice that the aubergine has got quite a thick skin. So the trick here is to actually chop it from the flesh side rather than from the skin side. These bits are no good. I get rid of them. It's a lot easier. Now just peel the garlic. And then just flatten the cloves with your knife, like this. So that's all your chopping done. Heat some olive oil in the pot. When the oil is hot, then add the onion, add the peppers, and the garlic. Onions and peppers take the longest to cook, so they have to go first. When the onions are slightly changing colors and you can start smell those peppers, it's now time to add the aubergines. And then you cook for 10 minutes. If you want to add some white wine, well, do it now. So I'm doing it now. After 10 minutes, add the courgette for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the tomatoes, add the herbs, thyme, bay leaf, season with salt and pepper. Go for it. Quite a bit of pepper, it's quite nice. And cover. And cook for another 30 minutes on low heat. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and let it reduce for half an hour to an hour until the juice has come down. All you need to do is to stir it from time to time. Just check it from time to time, and when you feel it's ready for you, just stop everything and your ratatouille is ready. After an hour, your ratatouille is ready. Of course, it depends on how much ratatouille you are cooking as well as the size of your pot. So make sure you check it from time to time while it's cooking, as you don't want to overcook it. Now, let's check it out. And voila, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a magnificent ratatouille with the colors, the smell, and the taste of Provence. Let's check this out. Oh yes, baby. Bon appétit! I just love this ratatouille recipe and I hope you enjoyed traveling all the way down to Provence without even leaving your kitchen. You can enjoy it as a side dish with white meat, fish, or even on its own as a main course, which is great for vegetarians or even vegans. If you like that, please click on the like button. Also, please let me know in the comments if you would like more recipes from Provence or from other French regions. I have more recipes for you to enjoy, so please subscribe to my channel, it's free, and have some fun learning about French home cooking. And if you check out the description below, you will find a few links for some cool kitchen gear, as well as food and wine delivery services. So see you soon, take care of yourselves, à bientôt!